Okay, hi guys, how's everyone? So today we are gonna be learning about the square roots. So to find the square root of 16, we have to press the equal sign, SQRT, and then click it, and then select 16, enter. We found the square root of 16. Square root is basically like reverse of square. You reverse a square. So we are gonna be also learning about three different methods for square root. Power formula, self multiplication, and cap. For power formula, we write equal POWERE. Yeah, power, and we select this and comma 2. Enter. Yeah, we found the power. So for self multiplication, we select this. Yeah, first we press the equal. We press the equal sign, select 4, and then asterisk, shift 8, and select it again. This is self multiplication. We got the same answer. For cap, now we click equal, select this, and we do shift 6, but for maybe some computers are different, but for us right now it's shift 6. Then we press 2 and enter. We got all the same methods. We use different methods, but we all got the same answer. So bye bye guys.